Hi, it's Michelle Talley of Kid to Kid. At Kid to Kid, we're concerned about your health and ours. We're taking steps to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Some of what you'll see is our pre-sorters wearing gloves and wiping down toys and equipment during the buying process. We want to keep our customers safe and our employees safe. So what we're doing each night is we're wiping down our counters, door handles, of course the bathroom, the phone, everything in the store that we feel that would be necessary to wipe down, we're going to disinfect every evening. Kid to Kid, we want to follow the CDC guidelines for keeping safe. And what we'd like to say to you is, don't come into the store if you're sick. Stay home. When you are coughing or sneezing, cough into your elbow. And of course, wash your hands and use hand sanitizer. And we're doing our part so that we can keep our people safe and you safe with the things that we buy. We buy so much all day long. We touch so many things that we are using hand sanitizer, we are using disinfectant, and we are touching the toys and equipment with gloves. So please do your part, we'll do our part, and hopefully all of this will go away and everybody will be healthy. Thank you.